Hi kids, today we are going to learn how to make a solar robot dog. These are the parts we are going to use. Mainly we have to make 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 is the base part. You can see all these 6 parts here. So this is the part 7 we prepared with all those 6, and we have to attach body to the part 7. Finally we have to attach legs. This is the final robot dog.